Welcome to Textile TV. Stay with us and enrich your knowledge.
Cut and sew bra. Cut and sew bras are made from multiple pieces of fabric that are cut and stitched in such a way that its shapes can supportive to the breast. It is the most supportive bra style. Cut and sew bra offers the greatest range of sizes. Demi bra. The word demi comes from French word which means half. Demi cap bra cover about the half of breast. It gives less coverage than full cap bra, but gives more coverage than a balconette or quarter cap bra. Demi bras are one of the most popular bra style nowadays. Frame bra. Frame bra consists of elastic or ribbon sewn into a triangle cup of shape. There is no actual fabric to cover the cups. It gives no support and even less coverage, but frame bra attractively frames the breast. Balconette bra. Balconette or balcony bra is a type of half-cup bra. For daily wear, balconette bra style are ideal for lower cut tops. Bandeau bra. Bandeau bra offer very little support or shaping, which can make difficult to fit for larger breast because of its lack of structure.